matters. There is some urgency. It may be taken up tomorrow, madam.
मैं नहीं चल रहा this matter may come up on the Wednesday matter motion. Long ago we have filed. You can come.
Fresh motion?
Yes, press motion
Okay.
on Wednesday. Like,
Please, your lordship.
Hmm.
My lord, these 3 repetitions notices were issued in the month of November pertaining to contractual dues, my lord, non-payment of contractual dues. It was returnable on 4 weeks. May I pray 17th, my lord, next week, Monday.
Okay.
Deeply applied.
Please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 2, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we would like to file a reply against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent, lordship. So 2 weeks time may be given. Lordship, date may be fixed, lordship.
But can it be on 20th? Madam? I appear for the respondents. But
Okay. Mr.
BP Sharma.
B.B. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Prays for 1 week time, 2 weeks.
What?
2 weeks time to file reply to the counter filed by the respondents.
yes, madam.
Okay.
So date may be fixed, madam.
List down. When do you want?
Can it be on 20th, madam?
Okay. That's a Thursday.
Yes, madam.
Okay. 20 March.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 40, your lordship.
40.
Yes, your lordship. Lordship, there's similar matters up for contention, so if the matter could be tagged along with that, the lordship. Contempt case number 101 of 19.
Okay, your good name?
D. Khan, your lordship.
Okay, on request made by D. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter along with contempt case number
101 of 19.
101 of 2019.
Obliged.
After 1 week, 2 weeks, 2
2
weeks.
weeks.
After 2 weeks.
So I beg to mention item number 3 of today's list, daily list. So as per instruction, that matter may be withdrawn, lordship.
Okay.
With a liberty to file a fresh.
Mr.
T.K. Mishra.
Learned counsel for petitioner prays for withdrawal of this contempt petition with liberty to file a fresh.
I'm obliged.
With petitioner, contempt petition is accordingly disposed and withdrawn with liberty as paid for.
May I please, lordship? With the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 9 for adjournment, lordship.
9.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, your good name?
I Sakma, lordship.
I?
Sakma.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, lordship.
Okay, on request made by Shakmal and counsel. When do you want?
I need this, lordship.
After 2 weeks?
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship.
Okay.
Please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 20, man.
Yes.
Take the matter after 3 weeks.
You are for petitioner?
Petition. Yes, ma'am.
How about the respondents? Anyone?
20. 20. 20. 20.
On request made by Mr.
Ikemullah on behalf of M. Hussain.
On request made on behalf of Mr. M. Hussain, learned counsel for petitioner. After 2 weeks?
3 weeks, ma'am.
List after 3 weeks.
Always.
May I please, lordship? I beg for listing of an WPC matter. The matter has been last listed on 1st of April 2024.
1st of April.
1st of April.
Okay, 19th March.
Yeah, please, your lordship. With concern from the other side, I beg to mention item 41, your lordship. The matter may be adjourned for a week, your lordship.
Your good name, please.
L. Wangsa, on behalf of T. Dury.
On request made on behalf of Mr. D. Dury, learned counsel for petitioner. List after
2 weeks, your
2
lordship.
weeks.
Obliged.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
Well, in this case, I have got my relief matter, 1,06,255 rupees payable to me. That has been,
You've got your relief.
yes.
Mr. H. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that during the pendency of this writ petition, the petitioner has received, has got the relief. Stop. He accordingly prays for withdrawal of the present writ petition. Mr. D. Opamania, learned standing counsel,
Health and Family Welfare Department
Health
for
and
1, 2, and 3.
appears for the Health and Family Welfare Department. The petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
Four.
At this stage, my lord, notice may kindly issue.
Where's the adjustment?
Judgment is, my lord, at page 8.
5, 8, 8. Okay.
Annexure A, page 8.
Heard, Mr.
J. Sarma.
Learned counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 1 and 2 by registered post ID within 1 week.
My lord.
List
In
of
6
the-
also, my lord,
list
same
of
matter
the
may be part.
parties.
Item 6.
You wait for your turn. No.
5.
May I please, Lordship, direction is at page 12, Lordship. Paragraph 7 and 8, Lordship. It is the relevant paragraph.
When was the order passed?
Order was passed on 7/8, Lordship. To the
2020?
23, Lordship.
Then,
Then we submitted on 14/8/23, Lordship. Next
Oh,
page, page 15,
okay.
13, Lordship.
okay. Then,
Then we approached them repeatedly, Lordship.
where's the period of limitation?
Repeatedly approached them for
What
compliance.
is the period of limitation?
Otherwise, Lordship, 1 year, Lordship.
Then,
Otherwise, 1 year, Lordship. We approached them, Lordship.
you must have approached them, but then the adjustment was passed in 2023. Now it's 2025,
7/8, Lordship, 7/8/23, Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
Then,
Then we repeatedly approached them.
that's fine, but how do we condone the delay?
Then I may be allowed to do it at liberty to file a fresh lawsuit.
You file a writ petition, that's better for implementation of this, because now the contempt. Mr.
MK Hussain lawsuit.
Learned counsel for petitioner press for withdrawal of this contempt petition with liberty to
Able appropriate legal limit.
file an appropriate application, huh? Press allowed. Contempt petition is disposed on withdrawal with liberty as before.
6.
My lord, the order is at page 9. Annexure A.
Okay, not yet complied.
Not compliant.
Heard J. Sharma and the counsel for petitioner issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondents 1 and 2 by registered proceeding within 1 week. List of the 4 weeks.
7.
My lord, kindly pass it over for the time being. My senior will appear in this matter.
There's a contempt matter.
But it is connected with item number 64, my lord.
Item
64 of the daily list.
of the supplementary list.
Yes.
Much obliged.
8.
Matter relates to non-payment of contractual amount, Lordship. Lordship, they have admitted the amount that, Lordship, I am entitled, Lordship. Annexure 2, Lordship, page 21.
Affidavit has come, not yet.
Not, Lordship.
Lordship, similar matter has been picked on 2/4, 25. Lordship, kindly pick this matter along with the same.
Okay. Heard Mr. R.K. Talukdar and the counsel for the petitioner. MS J. Gogar.
You go.
Learned,
Right, Lordship, this case is covered, Lordship. I have the husband also, Lordship.
a counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
RM that.
R.M. Das, Learned Standing Counsel Water Resources Department. Prays for some time to enable her to receive instructions.
Leading case is 1872.
This matter. On when?
2/4. Lordship.
2/4. along with
1872
WBC
Yes, sir.
1872
7
1872
Yes.
oblique
2022.
23, my lord.
22 or 23?
23, my lord.
23.
10 and 11. Ten, 11.
None appears for the petition. List after 1 week.
12. Twelve.
Last location also none. Body was present. None appears for the petition. List after 1 week.
13.
May it please your lordship. The last occasion, my learned friend got some time to obtain instruction. It is a matter pertaining to non-payment of contractual dues where there is admitted liability. I have enclosed the certificate of liability, my lord, at page 46, whereby the implementing department has admitted the liability. Now the paying department has to ensure that my bill referred to in this page 46, my lord. It is the liability certificate pursuant to my representation, which was referred before the respondent. Now here they have admitted the liability of 7,97,842 pursuant to the work
Yes, any
That is being, no, that is being issued by the executing
executing
authority. Now it is under consideration of the Revenue and Disaster Management Department. I've just talked to the department right
You
now.
are appealing for the revenue?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'll pray for some time to get the instruction.
My lord, already he has got the information that it is under process. So to verify and to thereafter pay, that perhaps can be done and
Disposal.
that can be done.
That can be also directing us to examine, and if found okay, and that may be ready.
Who is the person who is the authority to examine the matter?
They will do it, my lord. The
Revenue Department,
Revenue Department.
because it is under the SDRF scheme.
Respondent number 2,
Yes, ma'am. 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Finance also?
2 and 4, man. 2 and 4.
Okay. But Mr. D. Chakravarti, learned counsel for the petition. Stop. Who is the work order?
My lord, page 37.
It is the case of the petitioner that the petitioner was issued a work order for restoration of flood damages of reclamation of flood affected area. Chesri, comma, within inverted comma, drainage of low lying area near Chandpur in Porkola Circle, comma. Phase 1 and 2, isn't that?
Yes.
Phase 1 and 2 under STRF for 2022-2023. Stop. The petitioner completed the set work and thereafter a completion certificate was submitted by the district
Respondent number, executive engineer, my lord, respondent number 8. A completion certificate was submitted by my lord, the district commissioner, my lord, he is respondent number 6.
by the district commissioner, chairperson,
42.
District Disaster Management Authority, Kachar, Silchar, to the Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, Revenue and DM Department, is
Yes,
it?
yes.
DM Department on 19/1/2024. Stop. However, no, as the petitioner did not receive the payment, he made a representation before the executive engineer,
Yes,
isn't it?
respondent number 8.
Before the executive engineer, Kachar, WR division, Silchar. No, executive engineer, Kachar, WR division on 10/2/2025. Praying for issuance
Of a
of
liability,
an
sir.
outstanding liability certificate. Stop. The executive engineer, Kachar, WR division, Silchar, accordingly issued the outstanding liability certificate on 11/2/2025, showing a liability of rupees 7,97,842.
Yes, yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
842. Stop. However, despite the issuance of the outstanding liability certificate, the petitioner is yet to receive the outstanding dues and accordingly has approached this court by way of the representative petition. Stop. Para. Mr.
A. Bhattacharya.
A. Bhattacharya, London Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, submits that the case of the petitioner is under consideration in the Revenue Department. Stop. Considering the submission made by the London Standing Counsel Revenue Department, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the respondent number 2 and 4 to have a verification as to whether the petitioner has completed the work in terms of the work order dated
13/5/2023.
13/5/2023. Stop. Thereafter, if it is found that the petitioner has completed the work and the outstanding liability, and there is an outstanding liability of rupees 7,97,842, the respondents shall take steps for payment of the same to the petitioner within a period of
My lord, the entire exercise may be carried out within a period of 3 months.
to take steps to pay the liability to the petitioner. Stop. Let the entire exercise be done and completed within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of this court's order.
Yes.
Of this court's order. With the above provisions and directions.
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm appearing for item number 12, my lord. I could not reach in time, my lord.
So I've already passed orders.
Yes, maybe.
What can I do?
Maybe taken up, my lord. Yes, non-payment of contractor's bill amount.
Cancel that. Yes, Biswas, you want to also mention your 2 items.
My lord, I want to withdraw those with liberty to approach the arbitration tribunal. Only to that extent.
Okay, with
Okay, absolutely.
I'm sorry, my lord. Work order is at, my lord, 19, my lord, page 19. They have completed.
Yes.
And my lord, they have completed around, my lord, 60% of the work. No running bill has been paid, my lord. And work is still pending, my lord. There's, my lord, lordship may kindly see page 69. They have admitted that this amount.
Where's your liability certificate?
Complete, my lord, yet not completed, my lord. Work is not completed.
When are you supposed to complete
Lordship
the
will
work?
kindly see present status of renovation and upgradation. That is, my lord, page 69, my lord.
Page?
Page 69, my lord. You have stated, my lord, some parts of the work has already completed, my lord, at 80% below, my lord, the
When was this
80%
issued?
down below, my lord.
When was this issued?
That was wrong. That was issued long back, my lord. As per our RTA application, my lord, lordship will kindly see 19/12/2023, my lord. Page 67, my lord. That was furnished to us, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, we are praying for whatever the amount we are entitled to, or we may be allowed to complete the work. This is under, my lord, Assam Urban Waters.
Where's your work order?
My lord,
Page 19.
as per work order, my lord, page 19, my lord.
When are you supposed to complete this work?
Within 7 months, my lord. But that was issued in 2020 during the COVID period, my lord. That is why the work could not be completed, my lord. Ultimately abandoned, and ultimately fund was not there. No running bill was paid. That is why still pending, my lord.
Who appears?
Notice may go.
Notice will have to go here.
Yes, my lord. 2, 3.
Because the work order was for 7 months. And now it's 2025. He has not completed yet.
That is, he has not completed. So, my lord,
It's only 85%. Some work.
Only 88%.
Then
my lord, lordship may issue notice at this stage, my lord. Let them come with their.
what, mister?
Yes, sir, my lord.
Then the counsel for the petitioner issue notice.
I'm for one only.
You are for one.
My lord.
MS.
You does.
Then
Additional senior government advocate.
additional senior government advocate appears for the respondent for one. Stop. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice on the respondents 2, 3, and 4 by registered post within 1 week. Respondents are allowed to file counter affidavits listed after 4 weeks.
Item number 10, my lord, I'm actually, I want to withdraw with liberty to approach the
10 and 11 or 10 only?
10 and 11 both.
Central government was there in the last occasion when you were not there.
I'm extremely sorry, my lord. Innoco's prayer, I'm withdrawing it. They will not be affected in any way otherwise. I'll inform the cities.
Who was appearing?
And that is on, my lord, she is coming.
Hmm?
And that my lord, यहाँ पर पार्क के दिन चौधरी मगर से.
I'll inform RKD Chaudhary. Withdraw, we are withdrawing, my lord. I'm not making any submission on merit. I'm withdrawing with liberty to approach the arbitration, only to that extent.
You approach the appropriate forum.
Absolutely.
Mr. M. Biswas and the counsel for petitioner press for withdrawal of the suit petition with liberty to file the with liberty to approach the appropriate forum. Mr. RKD Dev Chaudhary, Leonard Deputy DSGI appears for the respondents. The petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. In the second case also, same order.
Same. Liberty to approach the appropriate forum, your lordship. And deployment.
14.
I paid for personal for time being, your lordship. Kian Chaudhary is your lordship. He is on leg, lordship.
As per earlier order, Lordship, standing council has to place the instruction.
Lordship, appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, Lordship, the instructions are still awaited, your Lordship. Further time will be required, your Lordship.
Yeah, how much time you require?
Another 1 week time, your Lordship.
Then there's no point of waiting for your senior. Lordship may issue notice, Lordship. In the meantime, interim measurement made earlier may be continued, Lordship. We can issue notice. Okay, heard, Mr. P. Sharma, Lordship. For Kian Sharma, Lordship. Assisted by Mr. P. Sharma. Heard, Mr. Kian Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the issue. Issue notice. Gogoi is appearing for
PWD, your Lordship.
Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, PWD. Appears for the respondents. One. All the respondents, Lordship. 1 to 5, all the rest. All the rest. Executive Engineer Baksha is also there.
Then you PTC, your Lordship. The PTC.
My lord, on last occasion, they were directed to obtain the
That's
instruction.
why they don't have instructions.
So lordship will issue notice at this.
That's
stage.
why I'm missing. How
And the
about
earlier
this-
interim direction will continue.
Respondent 5. Baksha. Executive Engineer Mushalpur Division Baksha. You happy?
I can appear.
Okay. Okay, Mr. B. Goel, understanding council feasibility, entries appearance on behalf of the respondent, 1 to 4. And Mr. R.K. Mushari, Learned Standing Council, BTC. Appears for the respondent number 5. Notice and respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavits. List after
2 weeks.
Week, your Lordship.
you want 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Interim order passed early to continue. Till then.
Leave your.
15.
May I please? Matter pertains to allotment of showroom in the Morapat Bazar, my lord. In Morapat Bazar, allotment of showroom, my lord. My lord, petitioner was earlier occupying room number 2, my lord.
Allotment of what?
Room number 2, my lord.
Hmm.
Now in RCC building, my lord, the room number 2 has been numbered as room number 6, my lord. So he is entitled room number 6 because he paid rupees 2 lakh, my lord, with the assurance that the room will be provided with the same place, my lord. Now the respondent authorities are contemplating to allot him another room, my lord. That is the,
What is the difference?
no, my lord, there is difference, my lord.
What is the difference? You
My-
get one room here, you
No,
get.
my lord. No.
It's in the same complex, isn't it?
No, my lord. It is, that is the, not same complex and place is, place matters, my lord, in the bazaar, my lord. At this stage, notice may be issued, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I am for 1 and 2. That's a Howling Municipal Court, my lord. So we
Oh.
notice 2, 3 and 4 and
So
I am
Howley has to come.
Yes,
yes.
They've made a building, isn't it? RCC building.
yes, my lord.
Earlier, it was not an RCC building.
Not RCC.
So you are occupying room number 2.
Yes, my lord. Now this room.
Now that RCC building is complete,
complete, my lord.
they are giving you room number 6.
No, 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 my
No,
lord.
a different room,
Different room, my lord.
but in the same building.
Not in the, also in the same area, my lord. The, very big market, my lord.
It's in the same building.
No, my lord. Not in the, even in the same building, my lord. In another place, my lord.
Okay, heard, Mr.
HMR Chaudhary.
HMR Chowdhury, then council petitioner issue notice. MS UDAS, additional senior governor.
My lord,
Appears for respondent
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Oh, petitioner takes steps for service of notice on respondent 3 and 4 by registered post AD within 1 week.
My lord, there is an interim prayer, my
What
lord.
interim?
Page 11, my lord.
On top, just say extra copy, sir. Allotment has started.
Yes, my lord, allotment has started. my lord.
How do you know that?
Building completed in the year 2000, in the first part of 2024, my lord.
Twenty
24, my lord.
So it must be already allotted.
No, not allotted, my
Huh?
lord. Not allotted, my lord. I have made specific environment in the para, my lord. Para 8, my lord. Page 8, para 8, my lord.
List after 4 weeks. Till the next returnable date. Room number 6. In the RCC building.
Yes.
Of Morabat Bazaar under Holy Municipality. Shall not be allotted to any other parties.
Deeply obliged.
16, 16,
None appears for the petitioner. List after 1 week.
17,
Lordship, this is a very simple matter. This matter, what has happened, fuel was taken for me for election purposes, for Lok Sabha as well as for the state election. The amount which has reduced in respect to the Lok Sabha elections have been paid to me, but for the state election, I have not been paid, and it's an admitted dues. Lordship, I want a small direction. Lordship, the admitted dues is that at page 51. No? 48, 9, what? 58, 9, no? 48 only that's. Photocopy to 9. Report copy?
Yes.
Yes, 50.
Annexure 3.
Hmm.
Yes, after that amount has remained pending. This is the admit.
Amount of how much?
Total is this.
Total is 33 lakhs 10,996.
33 lakhs.
10,996.
Now, where do I find that?
Lordship will find at page 53, annexure B and C.
Okay.
Lordship, I want
After eating up together.
Yes. Lordship, I want a small direction. Let a direction be given to respondents to verify. They've admitted it. To verify and pay within a period of 3 months. They can verify if they find I'm not due, they'll not
Yes,
pay.
thus
Verify and pay.
Verify and pay.
No problem, man. Third time, Hazarika, and the senior counsel, assisted by Mr.
D Khan, Your Lordship. D Khan.
E. Khan, London Council for Petition. How many petitioners are here? Two. Okay. The petitioners. I also heard MS UDAS, London Senior Government Advocate. Additional senior government for the respondents, 2 and 3. Stop. How about one? And Mr. R.K. Mushari, London Standing Council, BTC.
BTC.
For the respond number 1 on top, give his name first, after that use. Stop. The petitioners are dealers of the Indian Oil Corporation Limited. And supplied diesel oblique M oil and high-speed diesel within brackets HSD to the Superintendent of Police, Contractual, Assam during the State Assembly election in the year 2001 and 2020, in the year 2021.
Yes.
And also the State Assembly
Re-election.
re-election.
Assembly election, re-election.
What is re-election? How can there be a re-election?
I think he meant
By-election.
By-election.
And as well as the
This 51, it is mentioned, confirmation of amount of liability for HSD supply, Lok Sabha election 24, Assembly election 2021, and by-election 2021.
okay. For cancel it for the Lok Sabha election 2024, State Assembly election 2021, and state by-election, state by-assembly election
By assembly.
By-election.
2021. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the dues in respect of the Lok Sabha election 2024 has been paid to the petitioner. However, the dues for the State Assembly election 2021 and state by-election, by-assembly election 2021 is yet to be paid to the petitioner. Stop. The Superintendent of Police, Kokrachar, address to the petitioner number 1, correct?
Yes.
Made a communication to the petitioner number 1 on 1/10/2024. Stating that the liability amount shown in the statement submitted by the petitioners has been compared with the office record and found to be correct. The communication further gave the details of the pending bills at annexure A, B, and C respectively. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that there is a total amount of rupees. Give the date.
33 lakhs
33,
10 comma
10,
996.
996 due to the petitioner till date. Stop. Considering the communication dated 1/10/2024, this part is it appears that the respondents have admitted to the liabilities due to the petition. Stop. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of. Directing the respondents 2 and 3.
2 and
2 and 3. You have a verification.
No, Lordship, even the BTA has to be directed.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. থাকবে দেন।
Give it.
1, 2, and 3.
To the respondents, 1, 2, and 3. To have a verification with regard to the liability in respect of the petition
33 lakhs.
and amounting to rupees, that's so amount.
My lord, amount may be because already lordship has mentioned, verify and pay my lord because. it was-
Whatever.
They mentioned
And if
direction for-
the
Verify আসেন।
liability is found to be correct, let such dues be paid to the petitioner.
Within 3 months?
Let it be 4 months. Let it be 4 again for
Okay,
contempt.
within a period of 4 months from the date of receipt of a copy of the order.
Obliged, Lordship.
With the above observations and directions, with petition is disposed.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, with regard to item number 16, my lord, I was in another page. My lord, my name may be recorded, my lord. My appearance may be recorded. I was in another code, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
This item 16.
Item 16.
People.
Item 16. Almost down here also.
So on your request, I'll adjourn the matter or what? Oh, huh?
It may be very grateful, my lord.
Okay, on request, item
16, my lord.
16. Met by Mr.
M.H. Soike, my lord.
Your name is not here. Okay, MS Saike, Learned Counsel for the petition. List the matter after one.
My lord, oblige me. Deeply obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, actually, your lordship, my fair price shop license was initially, your lordship, suspended by the then Deputy Commissioner Biswanath. Thereafter, I filed an appeal before the then North Assam Commissioner, your lordship. Since my appeal was not heard, I approached this honorable court. This honorable court disposed of the writ petition, your lordship, directing the North Assam Division Commissioner, your lordship, to dispose of my appeal. Thereafter, your lordship, the office of the North Assam Commissioner office was abolished by the state government, and the Deputy Commissioner came to be known as District Commissioner. So, your lordship, thereafter, your lordship, the District Commissioner is, your lordship, sat as an appellate authority of his own order, and he has passed the order dated 17 to 24, page number 41, your lordship. Your lordship, my license was restored, your lordship, but I am not satisfied with the content of the order, your lordship. Your lordship, earlier occasion also, your lordship.
Who suspended your license?
Deputy Commissioner Biswanath.
Okay.
Thereafter, your lordship, I filed an appeal before the North Assam Commissioner. Then since my appeal was not heard, I approached this honorable court. This honorable court directed the North Assam Commissioner to dispose of my appeal. But in the meantime, your lordship, that office of the North Assam Commissioner was abolished by the state government. And the Deputy Commissioner's office came to be known as District Commissioner office. So what happened, your lordship? My appeal was taken up by the District Commissioner. So the same Deputy Commissioner sat as an appellate authority of his own order. And your lordship, this order dated 17 to 24 was passed, which your lordship will find on 41, page 41. 40. Your lordship. Your lordship may move on to 41A. 41A. Your lordship, the third from I, your lordship. I do hereby under clause 15, subclause 2 of APDA order, revoke the suspended order by number so and so dated 31/12/2022 and restore the PDS license of Muhammad Abdul Qadir, license number so and so under PS MS Posim Bakmari GPS as a third and final opportunity with a stern warning not to repeat such irregularities in future, which will invite outright cancellation of his PDS license. Your lordship, this was not. I was shown as if I had been committing anomalies and irregularities earlier. I has approached this honorable court earlier to your lordship. Those orders are also annexed in this petition, your lordship. Actually, your lordship, there has been a conspiracy since 2-3 years to cancel my license, and every time I have approached this honorable court, I have contested those cases, And on merit, your lordship, I have been absolved of all the allegations, your lordship. Now, this order, your lordship, indicated that there is something coming against me, so that taking that plea, they will cancel my license. And my suspicion was held right, your lordship. And again, your lordship, something was done for which I have filed a representation. Your lordship will find on page 42. Your lordship, this is the page 42 is the order, your lordship, is the representation which I have filed before the district commissioner to amend the order dated 17 to 24. Now, your lordship will find on page 43 some new anomalies have started, your lordship. The anomalies, the irregularities are done by the department. The blame of that is shifted upon me. But this time, this came into my eyes, and immediately I filed a representation before the district commissioner. And your lordship, the same representation was filed by one of the beneficiaries who also became the victim, your lordship. That your lordship will find on page 45. So these things are happening because in the earlier case, though my license get restored, your lordship, the person behind those irregularities were not brought to book. I used to get absolved of the allegations. My license used to get restored. After 1 year, they will again do something. They will hatch a conspiracy, and again they will suspend my license. This is the second or third time I have approached this honorable court. And the order dated 17 to 24 is such that this time there will be outright cancellation. Just because these anomalies came before my eyes, your lordship, I approached this honorable court at this right time, or else, your lordship, they would have again suspended my license or cancelled my license, your lordship. So I'm praying for, your lordship, amendment of the order dated 17 to 24 and a stricture to the department, your lordship, not to commit any irregularities and shift the blame upon me, your lordship.
How do we do that?
Your lordship, but then your lordship may order.
What type of stricture do you want
and then your lordship may order an inquiry, your lordship, regarding those irregularities who are committing, your lordship, because we just supply those food items to the beneficiaries. The list and all are produced by all are prepared by the department, your lordship.
So what is your course of action here?
Your lordship, my
The 17 to order,
yes, your 17 to 2000.
where that observation was made.
Yes, your lordship, and I have filed a representation on 26/24 to amend that order.
Okay.
That has not been done. Your lordship, annexure 9 and annexure 10, page 41 and page 42. 41 is the order, 42 is my representation for amendment of that order, your lordship.
Yes.
Notice that
Yeah.
because it is this
Heard,
kind
mister?
of story.
I will say.
You're on the counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Yeah, for
1, 3, 4,
MSU
5,
does
6.
Learned additional senior government appears for respondents 1, 2.
1, 2, he is appearing, my lord. And 1, 3, 4,
Okay,
5,
then
and
1
6.
minute. Mister. You got its name. Then standing council, food and civil supplies.
Corporation Department. My role is limited.
No, 1 you are appearing.
I'm appearing for 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Okay. 1,
2, he is appearing.
3, 4, 5, and 6.
Ma'am.
And Mr. So-and-so, the standing council. Cooperative department appears for the respondent. Notice and respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit.
Lordship, annexure number 1, your lordship. Yes, your lordship, just a simple error has been made. Your lordship, I have written it, I have typed it as impugn order. This is actually not the impugn order. The order dated 31/12/2022. The impugn may be deleted, your lordship. I may be allowed to make the annexure 1, your lordship.
That you'll have to file it now. Now the notification is out. After 4 weeks.
19.
May it please, Lord. This is a non-payment of contractual liabilities. The
How
work
much?
was allotted to the petitioner to carry out a repairing and renovation work in the office building of additional chief medical and health officer Morigaon, my lord. My lord will find the work order at page 14. In the work order, my lord, tender amount is 19,98,080 rupees. The completion period is 3 months from the work order, my lord. And defect liability period is 3 months after completion. So accordingly, my lord, I have started the work and completed it, my lord. So my lord will find the physical verification report at page 15. Then, my lord, the schedule of physical verification, my lord. Next, page 17 is the completion certificate. It's issued by the executive engineer, PWD. my lord. Page 17. So, dear after, my lord, I have submitted the bill, my lord, but till date, nothing has been done towards releasing my payment, my lord. The work order was issued by the executive engineer, my lord, PWD Morikawa District Territorial Building Division.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing with the big Lordship. Lordship, we have to get our instructions, notice me going up.
Notice. You get your instructions. But Mr. N.G. Kataniel and the council. Stop. The petitioner was issued a work order by the executive engineer, PWT, Morigaon District Territorial Building Division, on 21/10/2022 for repairing and renovation of the office building of the additional chief medical and health officer within bracket FW, Morigaon, for an amount of rupees 19,98,080. Correct?
Yes, madam.
Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the petitioner has completed the work in terms of the work order dated 21/10/2022. And to that effect, a completion certificate was also issued
Yes, madam.
by the
Executive engineer, madam.
executive engineer, PWT, Morigaon District Territorial Building Division. Stop. However, till date, the said amount is yet to be paid to the petitioner. Stop. But Mr. B. Gogoi, Leonard, Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare,
No, Your Lordship, for the PWD.
PWD.
Respondents 3, 4, 5, and 6, Your Lordship.
for appealing for the respondents, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Praise for
For 2 weeks time, Your
2
Lordship.
weeks time to enable him to receive. Praise allowed. Praise allowed. List up 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, I'm appealing for respondent 7, Your Lordship, the financial.
MS D. Boral and Standing Council, Health Department appears for the respondent, 1 and 2. And MS
RM Bora, Your Lordship, for respondent 7.
RM Boral and Standing Council, Finance Department appears for the respondent number 7.
How will I judge?
21, admission.
This is regarding my non-payment of contractual bill, my lord. It is amount is 1,39,301, my lord. But I not want to submit, my lord. They file in approval. Respond number 2 and 3, fine affidavit, my lord. Do I received the same earlier, my lord, but somewhere I'm missing it, my lord. So my lord, I want to request my lord, a senior friend, if you submit a copy of the same, and after going to the same, the next day also can dispose of the same matter after.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
FK Ahmed.
F.K. Ahmed, Leonard Council for the petitioner. How much time you require?
Only my lord, only a week.
Release the matter after 1 week. In time, if you have a copy, you just, I'm not passing in order, directing it.
I'll be giving. Publish.
22,
May I please?
Hmm.
My lord, in this case, the petitioner has an account, my lord, with the respondent bank, my lord.
Hmm.
And he has, my lord, a fixed deposit of, my lord, 22 lakhs.
Hmm.
My lord, the petitioner has a fixed deposit of 22 lakhs with the respondent bank, my lord.
Lordship, kindly take up the matter after some time. S committee is on legs, Lordship. He will appear on this matter.
This committee is only for Union of India. Main Weapon Bank, Central Bank. My lord, Mr. Mehdi is only for Union of India, my lord. My grievance is, my lord, against the Central Bank of India, my lord. And I think Mr. Mukesh Sharma is.
Yes. May I please, your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Mukesh Sharma. He is not well, Lordship. May I kindly pass over the matter for the day, Lord.
For the day.
Yes.
Okay, heard, Mr.
JC Gold, my lord.
JC
Gold. GA.
Gore, learned counsel for the petitioner on request made on behalf of Mr. M. Sharma,
Yes, Lordship.
learned standing counsel, Central Bank of India.
Yes.
List the matter after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
What?
23,
Petitioner has challenged a Bakijai proceeding initiated by the respondent number 3.
This we have prepared, but probably steps have not been taken by the petitioner, my lord. So
Second.
I
1
have
minute.
checked now.
1 minute.
Oh.
Hmm?
No.
Affidavit has not been filed, Lordship. That is required from,
My lord, could not send because petitioner have not taken the steps, my lord.
we have,
What
taken-
steps?
Let him. Record check for his property.
we have taken the step, Lordship. If required, I will serve a fresh copy, Lordship.
My lord, because we could not send the notice, my lord. It is ready in the file, my lord. So maybe taken after 2 weeks, my lord.
Heard,
And
Mr.
extra
Deka.
copy will-
S. Deka, learned counsel for petition. On request made by MS Udas and additional senior government advocate. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Extra copy, he has not served our upon us.
I will
the
serve.
Notice, my lord. So
Just
let
for
him
my
have the
Learned
notice, my lord.
counsel for the petitioner shall serve extra copies to MS Udas and additional senior government
Yeah, madam.
within the course of the day.
Interim to continue, Lordship.
Interim is
Yes.
until
Yes, Lordship. Interim order 11/12/2020.
okay. Interim order passed. Will continue till the setting.
24,
May I please, Lord?
Hmm.
So the instruction was what, my lord? My lord, I have completed in this matter, my lord, I have completed 85% of the work, my lord. But due to my lord, flood, my lord, my contract was terminated. But my lord, I am, my lord, filed this petition for my lord, the amount that I have completed, my lord. This time, my lord.
Yes, go away.
I have marked, my lord, the first page
What
and
is
second page.
this?
Serial number 24 and serial number, my lord. Next page. 22.00, man. 55% of the work I have completed, my lord. Due to flood, my lord, I could not complete the, my lord, work. As a result, my lord, my tender was, my lord, terminated. So I have filed this petition for, my lord, the amount that I have completed, my lord. Only that much, my lord. It may be disposed of, my lord.
No, affidavit has not come. Where was that? That Gogoi Junior. You catch all of Mr. Gogoi will take off after some time.
At 2, my lord. At 2.
Okay. Yeah, whenever he comes. Whenever he comes.
26.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the last order, my lord, is given a direction to obtain the instruction regarding, my lord, the land valuation certificate which was cancelled by the circle officer. The direction was given to the, my lord, concerned advocate, my lord, to obtain the instruction. Why that was, my lord, cancelled? It is very vital, my lord, because the entire issue is revolving with this issue, my lord. My lord, this is positively, otherwise.
Honorable Court has directed the government advocate to take instruction from the Deputy Commissioner Office.
Okay.
It is, my lord, urgency is there because, my lord, the time is running out. So if it is, but we get it. It's positively, my lord.
Okay. Then there's a last chance. Last chance. Third P. Mandal and the counsel for the petition. Mr. Udas, learned additional senior government advocate. Appealing for the respond number 5. Is allowed 2 weeks time as last chance to file counter affidavit.
My lord, date may be fixed, my lord.
But in the first week of Lordship, April, I will be not available. Last week of March.
You are not available. Okay.
2nd of April, Lordship.
No, not second, but third, my lord.
Third.
3rd April, my lord.
3rd April.
Last April.
Obligor.
Item 24, man.
Go.
One instruction I have got, my lord, but one thing, my lord, the case number is different. Probably, my lord, while communicating, my lord, the repetition number I have wrongly quoted. I will have to clarify, but I have got the paragraph from another. So, my lord, without that clarification,
You're given a last chance to file your return.
well, I will, my lord, because last time I have got the other, I have got the paragraph. But number is, my lord, 1043. PWD, my lord.
So that is not the 4 hours comments here.
That's why I'm saying, my lord, I will have to clarify whether I have quoted the wrong number in the service copy that I have forwarded to them. Probably, my lord, it's the same repetition.
So can I record that you have got the instructions? No.
My lord, I will have, not to be recorded, I will have some clarification on the instruction that I have received.
My lord, I pray, my lord,
Some clarification on the instruction that I have received.
my lord, I pray, my lord, maybe, my lord, after verification, my lord, it may be disposed of, my lord.
So
Let him come. Let him come. Because here, see, it's a work of non-completion of your work. Correct.
That I admitted, man. That I admitted.
Heard Mr. Triple S Raman on counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. Gogol and standing counsel PWD.
PWD, my lord.
Submits that he has received instructions. However, he needs certain clarifications and prays for 1 week time.
My lord, 1 week.
It may be fixed, my lord.
Week time. Stop.
On 21st, my lord.
List down. Okay, 21st.
I am obliged.
27.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I have completed the work, lordship, in the year 2023 itself, lordship. That they have respondent issued the completion certificate also, lordship. The completion certificate is at page 29, lordship.
4 crores.
4 crores, lordship. They have already admitted, lordship.
Admitted amount otherwise.
You file your affidavit.
Affidavit not for instruction is the lordship, it is already demand has been submitted by the concerned executive engineer, the chief engineer. Only because fund is not there, lordship, otherwise, lordship.
So you file your affidavit. On that affidavit, I'll pass the order. I'll give you 1 week time.
Lord.
But Mr. S. Sudadar and the counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Enobadia Leonard, standing counsel. Irrigation department is allowed a week's time to file affidavit. List on today's what? 10th. Okay. 19th March.
28.
Ma'am. Your lordship. Your lordship, I need some more time to file the affidavit in opposition.
You have 4?
Harassment number 3. APF.
Respondent 3.
Yes.
Earlier also you were given time.
Yeah. Due to some because we can't file the affidavit in opposition. We have granted 4 weeks time. Some more time needed to file the affidavit in opposition.
Okay, then how much time you require?
April 1st week.
7th April, Your Honor.
Heard Mr. P. Chowdhury, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Vedas.
P. Das. Learned standing counsel.
PK Roy.
Okay, learned counsel for the respond number 3. Place for 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit.
Your Lordship, 3 weeks time.
Place for 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Place allowed. List down. When do you want, Chowdhury?
7th April.
Okay.
Other
7th.
respondent has not also filed. 1 and 2 has not filed.
Lordship, one is a formal party. I'm appearing for one in the corporation department. He's the employee of the bank. So bank response is necessary here.
Okay, then you cancel that order. Heard P. Chowdhury, learned counsel for the petitioner. On request made by Mr. S. Sharma, learned counsel for the respond number 2. And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respond number 3. 3 weeks time is allowed to file the respective affidavits. Huh? List on 7th.
Lordship, I am for one.
MS so-and-so, learned. You're the
Standing counsel corporation department.
standing counsel corporation appears for the respond number 1.
If the
29.
Lordship,
In this case, I face 3 weeks time to file my affidavit in opposition.
3 weeks.
Lordship may fix a date because
But
the
in
work
this case, the work,
completed in the.
they have to make party the affidavit. For a moment, kindly please come to page 24.
You have 4 respondent 1 and 2.
I am
for respondent number one and
for 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
Also, the work executed under the scheme of affidavit.
No, but Lordship.
Page.
Page 20 for the work order. The undersigned invoice tender from the appropriate class of registered contractors of work departments under the central or any state government, public central or any state government undertaking autonomous bodies for following work under the common infrastructure development scheme of APIDA.
Lordship, that's different, Lordship. That Assam State Agriculture Marketing Board is the Lordship executing authority under the Agriculture Department. They are the main department.
Okay.
Lordship. That
Let them come with the affidavit.
I don't think, Lordship, no.
Heard Mr.
J. Abbas, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, can you fix a date, Lord?
Also heard MS
2018, Lordship.
G. Bora.
for
G. Bora, learned standing counsel,
agriculture department.
agriculture department, 4 respondents, 1 and
1 and 2 Lordship.
1. Stop. On request made by Mr.
And they go for respondent 1,
NJ
3, 4, and 5.
NJ Gogoi for the respondents, 3, 4, and 5. How much time?
Also, 3 weeks time.
3 weeks time is allowed to file contract.
Lordship, can you fix a date, Lordship? In the year 2018, work has been completed, Lordship. Since then, Lordship, I am.
We don't release the fund from the APIDA, we are
It's
unable to pay.
3 weeks. You filed it only in 2024.
Obliged.
30.
All these are fixed matters.
Lordship, please kindly see the last order dated 10 January 2025.
Yes, any instruction?
Lanka Municipal Board is the party method. They have to file.
Lanka Municipal Board, who's that? Last time D Nut was appearing. D Nut. Of course, he was appearing as a council, not as a senior council. Can you
So-
catch hold of him?
I'll inform.
Yeah,
I'll-
after some
just
time,
them.
after some time.
Thirty-one.
Lordship made business. This is the matter relating to non-payment of admitted outstanding dues of 18 lakhs, Your Lordship. Subsequently, the respondents have filed an affidavit, my lord. Lordship may kindly have a look affidavit which we have received on 10 to 2025. It's on record, my lord. Wherein at page 71 down below, my lord.
Page
71. Last but one paragraph. Last 3 lines. 4 lines.
Page
Page
71.
71.
Yeah.
Other lines will be important, Lordship. 4 lines ago. However, considering the importance, has the Lordship got it?
No.
However, considering
Where's
the
one-
importance in between, Lordship, middle, like in the middle, the second paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 line, my lord.
Okay.
However, considering the importance of the matter, respondent number 3 submitted a contingency fund CF proposal to the government by this office letter number so and so. Accordingly, the contingency fund for an amount of rupees so and so lakhs was received from the government during the FY 2023-24. Thereafter, the proposal for budget reappropriation was submitted to the government by this office letter number so and so. However, the same has been awaited. In this FY 24-25, the respondent number 3 has submitted a proposal for the government to create a new head of account for clearing the committed liability by this office letter number so and so. The government has also approved the same in the Fin Assam portal. Accordingly, CF proposal for the said head of account has been submitted to the government by this office letter number so and so. That with regard to the statement made in so and so, the necessary steps have been taken for making payment to the petitioner. Now, the present state, I have taken instruction from my client. He has not received it yet. Lordship,
Yes.
can the direction be given to the respondent?
Lordship, we have no updated today we have received their reply.
Reply, nothing new. It's on nothing new fact.
Mr. Shah is not in the court today, Lordship, because of some personal difficulties. It's not here.
Lordship understands that this one. If fund is there, it will go away after March 31.
Yeah. Okay, Hurt MSD Buyan. Not standing Leonard Senior Counsel. Assisted by Mr. R.S. Dury, Leonard Counsel. On request made on behalf of Mr. R. Dhar, Leonard, Additional Senior Government Advocate.
Standing counsel handloom and textile.
Huh?
Standing counsel handloom and textile.
Okay, Leonard Standing Counsel, Handloom and Textiles.
Yes, Lord.
Can it be taken up tomorrow then, my lord?
This 10th, isn't it? When can he come?
Tomorrow is the fine.
We'll have it on 12th then. 12th
Day
March.
after tomorrow?
Yeah, 12th March.
32.
Sir, madam, I'm awaiting instruction, my lord. 3 weeks time may be granted.
You know, on the last occasion, already this honorable court giving
Yes, my lord.
them,
this
you
is
know,
it.
last chance here to submitting reply here. You know, kindly see page number 17 here, no?
That we have
Annexure
seen.
I.
Have you got your instructions?
My lord, I am awaiting, my lord. I have received a letter, my lord, requesting, my lord, to pray before your lordship for some more time, my lord. I have received the letter dated 7th of December 2024,
You know,
my lord.
You know,
May
kindly
be granted time,
kindly
my lord,
peruse the
to
page
start.
number 17 here, no? Annexure I here, no? By this communication here, no?
Page 17.
70 here. The last page here. No? The respondent number 4 already admitted the fact here, no?
Verify and pay lordship may be part that.
Okay, then you get your instructions
I may
by next week. I will give you 1 week time. Okay.
In the, you know, in the month of January 2025 here, no? My daughter marriage was already fixed here, no? But due to financial hardship, I postponed the marriage here.
Okay, okay.
18 or 19, my lord, lordship may be.
Okay, Hurt Mr.
VN Upadhyaya here.
T.N. Upadhyay, counsel for the petitioner. VN, huh? On request made by Ms. Udas, the additional senior governor. Please the matter again on 21.
20 or 21, my lord.
That is stretching too far. Financial year is there, no? Yeah.
Then 18, my lord.
List the matter on 19th
9.
to enable her to receive instructions.
Obliged. Highly obliged.
Obliged.
30,
19, 26.
Item number 30.
Any instructions?
I have received the instructions. Kindly give me some time, my lord. I'll bring it on record.
Okay.
I have received the instructions for the respondent 6.
Respond number 6.
Lord.
Petitioner's case was considered or not?
Lord, today I have received some instructions.
Okay. Hurt MS?
Sikari does.
Hmm?
SR does.
SR does learned counsel for the petition. Mr. D. Not Leonard, you're the counsel, learned counsel appearing for the response number 6.
6.
Is allowed how much time?
Lord, give me 10 days time.
Okay, 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. List after 2 weeks.
33,
My lord, the item number 33, 34, 35, 36, and 38. These are similarly situated matters. Here, I have been granted time to take instructions from my department. Department is examining the case of the petition. It's regarding supply of relief materials during flood. Now, earlier there were two sets of inquiry. One inquiry state that there was no flood. So there was question mark on the supply of relief material. Then the another one, another inquiry said that there was flood. So in view of that, government has taken a decision. So in view of that, now one of the similarly situated persons were granted relief. Their petition was allowed. After that, they are coming, arising out of same.
So you want some time?
Yes, 4 weeks time may be granted. They are examining the whole case.
Okay, heard Mr. R. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr.
A. Bhattacharya,
A. Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel,
Revenue and
Disaster Management Department submits that the case of the petitioner is under consideration.
Yes.
By the
Under
respondents,
examination.
under examination by the respondents and prays for 4 weeks time to enable him to receive instructions. Praise allowed. List after 4 weeks. MS,
That's correct.
learned additional senior government advocate appears for respondents 4 and 5.
If in the meantime they will receive the instruction, affidavit may be filed.
They will
Eligible, they will get the money.
Okay, that's the same order in item
Item
33.
33, 34, 35, 36, and 38.
Okay.
33, 34, 35, 36, and 38.
Same order I'm passing.
Yes.
Some similar matters, I maybe pray for that matter also be taken up along with that.
No, let it come up. We'll see.
37,
NC Hills. Yes, Shama.
They to file a reply. But if I need some time to file my reply.
On the last occasion, also they have short time.
Okay, heard Mr.
A. Borpujari.
A.
Borpujari.
Barbuzari, learned counsel for the petition. On request made by Mr. C. Sharma, learned standing counsel, NC Hills Autonomous Council. How much time?
1 week.
1 week time is allowed to file counter affidavit.
Your Lordship, last chance may be given.
List after 1 week.
Plan for respondent number 1.
MS
C. Bora,
G. Bora, learned standing counsel,
Agriculture Department.
appears for the Agriculture Department.
39,
What is that?
out of. SS Roy.
Yes, sir. Regarding the reconstruction of the farm.
This for?
Reconstruction of the farm. Earlier it was a partnership farm. Now reconstruction of the partnership farm. It has to be cooperative farm. So he accordingly substitutes application to hotel. So I have having one instruction.
Okay.
I'm
Your
having one
Lordship.
instruction.
Heard Mr.
As what
Sanjay Sharma,
Sanjay, sir.
petition in person. Stop. On request made on behalf of Mr. SS Roy, CGC.
Yes, madam.
How much time you require?
Next 2 minutes.
Sir, keep it after in the last week of March.
You want it on the,
Or first week
you want the
of
date
April.
fix? When do you want?
Last week of March or first week of April. Fixed date, your Lordship. I am 59% and I will be out of the city.
Okay.
On 28, madam.
Oh, list the matter on 28 is Friday. How about 2nd of April? 2nd of April.
Your Lordship, I want to submit something, Your Lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, they have written that there is an outstanding recovery against me due to cancellation of the contract.
I have submitted.
So I replied it in my letter that the disputed amount is under arbitration and arbitrator has already been appointed on 6 December 2024 and it is under adjudication.
Okay, let them file the affidavit, then we will consider.
And they are
that.
submitting the same reason again and again. And I told them, please give me the policy or the rules under which the reconstruction can be kept in abeyance if there is any dispute. But they are repeating the same reason for it. So there is no policy or that they can rely upon to stop it.
58 to 61 of supplementary list. Admission.
Hello, I am appearing for the item number 61, my lord, and 60, my lord. Your lordship, last date, my lord, 60 and 60. Last date on 17 to 2021, my lord. This honorable court has fixed my matter as an for interim order, my lord. In this case, what happened, my lord, without floating any tender, my lord, my lord.
1 minute. 60.
60, without floating any tender, my lord, there has been settled, my lord. Gate has been settled, my lord. Detoxora, my lord, that gate name is my lord, that. Your lordship, kindly.
Mr. Bidida is appearing in this matter. Don't let. We can pass it.
After some time.
Otherwise also I am for Dimahasa Lordship. In this matter, I need some time to file my affidavit. Lordship.
Only thing, my lord, interim order may be passed, my lord. He is not in my greater.
Last time, there's no mention that interim order will be
Your
considered.
lordship, before, last day I am not well, my lord. Your lordship, 17 to 2025. Last day I am adjourned.
On 17 to 2025, it says interim will be considered on 21 too.
Yes, but 21 I was not well, my lord.
You took adjournment.
Yes, sir, I am not well, my lord. That is why I took that.
How much time will you require?
Lordship, 1 week.
Okay, then 1 week we'll give them and then we'll consider the matter after 1 week.
Without floating any tender, my lord, they have settled. One thing is that, my lord, they have settled, my lord, they are not running. Respondent number not running that particular mahal. That may be, you also kindly go 70 to 2025 order.
That order I have seen.
Yes, yes, my lord. That order said.
Okay, heard the learned counsels for the
Last line.
petitioners. Stop. On request made by Mr. C. Sharmal and Standing Counsel NC Hills. 1 week time is allowed to file counter affidavit. List on.
On 24th, Your Honor.
Huh?
24th.
You are the petitioner's counsel, isn't it?
I am for in the other two matters. 58 and
Okay. Release the matter on when do you want there's an interim against you, Sharma. You want a 1 week?
Yeah.
He wants it on 24th. Is it okay?
24th.
Release the matter on 24th March. Huh? Interim order passed in WBC number
125 of
127/2025 and WBC 125/2025 to continue till the next settlement date.
In respect of my case, undertaking has been given. You also kindly go to this 17 to
17?
17 to 2000, third paragraph, my lord. The submission of the learned considered response is also noted there not to say even order that 27 ones shown have been allotted as per the collection tax or entry vehicle is presently undertaken by NC Hills Autonomous Council and not by the private respect.
WPC 125 and 127 there is.
Okay, that undertaking is already there.
That continue.
There's no need to pass further orders. The already undertaken has been
Yes,
given.
yes, ma'am.
This is up to 61. Okay.
61. 61.
Oh. Okay. 5 minutes. On request made by you, thus, additional senior governor,
For all respondents.
appearing for the respondents. 3 weeks for the time is allowed to enable her to receive instructions. List after 3 weeks.
Interim may be continued.
Sorry,
Well, interim may be continued.
till the next suitable.
Obliging.
7 of daily list, motion.
Lordship, along with 7, your lordship can you take up 64, your lordship. There is an IA, your lordship.
What is 64?
64, your lordship, your lordship will kindly come to the order, your lordship's order, page 11 of the contempt case, your lordship.
Page 11 of the contempt case.
Lordship. Our nursing institute was sealed, your lordship, by this order, your lordship, 10/1/2025. Now, this honorable court, your lordship, after going through everything, your lordship, their affidavit, etc., was pleased to, your lordship, state that particular order. Now, we went there, your lordship, to submit a copy, your lordship. Next day itself, your lordship. Now, the DC is saying, your lordship, that since there is no order for desealing, he will not deseal it, your lordship. And our institute, your lordship, students are there, your lordship. Parents are, your lordship, pressurizing us, your lordship. Nursing students, your lordship. Now, therefore, your lordship, I have also filed an IA, your lordship, seeking appropriate direction to the deputy commissioner, your lordship.
What is this I about?
IA for your lordship for directing him to deseal the premises, your lordship.
Last time Gogoi was appearing in this.
Yes,
matter.
Gogoi was
Gogoi, see,
My lord. Regarding my lord IA, yes, my lord. Regarding IA, my lord, this has come for the first time, my lord. Lordship maybe grant me time to take instruction, my lord, at least, my lord, 1 week.
Lordship, the problem is this, your lordship. The institute has been sealed, your lordship, for long, your lordship. And after your lordship filing of the affidavit, after hearing all the counsels, your lordship, on last occasion, state the order by which it was sealed. Apparently, your lordship, he is clearly violating the orders of the honorable court, your lordship, by not.
let us see that order.
Lordship. Your lordship, page 11 of this contempt application, your lordship. Impugn order, your lordship.
Not this order.
Lordship.
The impugned order, that is
Lordship,
WPC.
Your lordship will get it at page 31 of the writ petition. Last paragraph will be important, your lordship.
In view of the aforementioned facts, it is apparent that this Cameo School of Nursing, Goalpara, is in contravention of so and so, so and accordingly, it is hereby directed that all courses currently being conducted in SS of Cameo School of Nursing, Goalpara be discontinued. For additionally, said institution is to be sealed immediately. Now, once this order is stayed, your lordship, where is the question of not your lordship desealing it, your lordship? And students are there. I am totally under pressure, your lordship. In spite of this order, they are not complying with your lordship.
You are appealing for the deputy commissioner?
My lord, in IA, my lord, I am, but not in contempt, my lord.
Contempt definitely.
No, contempt that is a
I asked for taking instruction, my lord, whether they have received the stay order of this court or not. What is the position now?
He has already given a copy.
Copy, your lordship. I have annexed, your lordship.
Without some time, my lord, to take the instruction, my lord.
Okay, we'll take up it too.
Lordship.
My lord,
You take instructions
marvel instruction.
and then just tell him that the contempt is also coming.
My lord, I'll take instruction. At
And if he knows what is good for him, then
Correct, ma'am.
he should reseal it.
my
Today itself.
lordship.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
That is item 64 and item 7.
7, your lordship.
Mm. 42 of Delhi list order.
I am paying for my respond about 2 minutes. Probably but the petitioner is not interested in part of this case. On last 3 occasions, they have not appeared. On last occasion, he has not appeared. And last 2 and other 2 occasions, they have taken time.
Okay, we'll give them one last chance. None appears for the petitioner. Mr.
Number 130.
MS DD Burman.
Yes.
Learned Counsel appears for the respondent number
1.
1 and Mr.
S. Botago,
S. Protocol, Learned Counsel appears for the respondent
2 minutes.
2. Stop. Release the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes.
2 weeks. What is this contempt all about?
But here, during the continuation of the interim order, the petitioner was arrested. In a new added section, there is section of 490 and section 4. He got interim only on 498A, not in section 4. That's an interesting case.
43.
Okay, none appears for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
44.
The last occasion, respondent took the time to file affidavit by the. This is pending since 2022, which is the quantum matter.
Who is Chowdhury? B. Chowdhury? Sole respondent.
Lordship, the other matters also they listed 44, 45, 46, and 47, your lordship. Your lordship, we will receive speaking order in 43, your lordship. In the item number 46, we've received a speaking order, but the others are still awaited, your lordship.
But I think 45 also I have received a speaking.
45, 46.
45, 46 may be closed then.
45 and 40.
How about 44?
44 and 47 are awaited, your lordship.
Yeah. How many respondents are here?
Here, sole for item 44, it's a sole respondent. But I think I have to complete this one, madam. Now new principal secretary come in petition. Madam. So
Who's the new principal secretary?
Earlier it was Anurag Goel.
Akashdeep, your lordship.
Akash?
Akashdeep.
Akashdeep.
So you have to complete them.
My lord.
2 weeks maybe.
Mr.
A Boro, my lord.
A. Borough, learned counsel for the petitioner. Praise for 1 week time
My lord. 1 week.
to file an appropriate application for implement of necessary parties. Praise a lot. List after 1 week.
45.
Gosh. Yep, got it.
It's for 46, your lordship.
No, we are on 45.
40 and 46. Total.
This is 45.
45.
So supply order found to be illegal and they're all fake.
Okay, heard Mr. A. Borough, learned counsel for the petitioner. 45 year appearing. Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 has furnished an order dated 24th September 2024 issued by the Secretary, Buduland Territorial Council, wherein it is reflected wherein the claim of the petitioner for payment against work orders allotted from the schemes under SCN TSP and other grants under Article 275 within bracket 1 of the Constitution of India during 2016-17 was found not sustainable and rejected by the BTC authority, as the work orders were issued illegally fraudulently and with the malafide intention to cause huge loss to public exchequer. Stop. Considering the order dated 24th September 2024, this court is of the considered opinion that the respondents have complied with the directions passed by this court, and accordingly, this condemned petition is closed. The order dated 24th September 2024 is placed on record.
With liberty to approach the appropriate format, because this is the rejected, this is.
I'm just closing the contempt. You have a right to challenge this order.
This would,
Yeah.
Same.
Same order. Respondent number 2. Same order.
47.
47, your lordship is still awaited the speaking audio.
Well, let come after 1 week. 1 week.
47.
Still awaited, your lordship.
But they have filed affidavit here in this case.
Here also you have to implement.
It's already implemented, man. It's there, man.
Huh? Where?
You file your
Respondent
imprisonment
number 2, my lord. Page 2, my contempt petition.
Yeah, you can tell. Anurag Goyal, only one. Have you filed?
Yes, my lord. This is implemented, my lord.
Are you sure?
Oh. No, we do, I think. Good night.
Yeah, you have implemented, but you have not filed the amended cost title.
My lord, I will file the amended cost title. However, the respondent number 1 has filed the FAT and FAT. But let it come after 2 weeks.
No, no, no. Notice has already gone to respondent two, but you have not filed your amended cost title. Okay, heard Mr. A. Borrell and the council with the petition. On request made by MS
RM Borough, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. B. Chaudhary, your lordship.
RM Borrell, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Chowdhury, Learned Counsel for the respondent number, for the respondents.
I am.
Both of you are appearing for two.
One. Anurag Goyal, one. She has filed affidavit.
For the respondent number 1. And MS RB Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 2. How much time?
Weeks, your lordship.
2 weeks. 2 weeks for the time is allowed to enable them to receive instruction. List after 2 weeks.
48.
48, we are preparing for newly implemented respondent number 3, lordship.
What is it?
Newly implemented respondent number 3, lordship. We need some more time to take instruction.
Okay. Hurt MS.
Jedas for Ardhar.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Ardhar, Learned Counsel for the petition. On request made by MS RB Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 3. How much time?
3 weeks left.
3 weeks time is allowed to enable her to receive instructions. List after 3 weeks.
49.
49, we have to file affidavit, lordship. Up to date instruction is necessary, lordship. 49. 2 weeks, lordship.
You are appearing for?
Respondent number 2.
One and two.
I am for 2, lordship. 1.
Okay, heard so and so. On request made by RB Bora, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2. How much time?
2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks time is allowed to enable her to receive instructions. List after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
50.
This case, lots of litigation has, we have exhausted the review part, lordship. If we got from the department, we file a review, lordship. That is in the record, lordship. We need some 2 weeks time.
My lord, kindly see my lord, order, my lord, page 22, my lord. Order was passed, my lord. Kindly see. Page 22.
Order was passed. It's not an issue, it's a review. We have exhausted our remedy, lordship. So I need a 2 weeks time to
My lord, earlier
pass appropriate order.
Okay, review was dismissed.
It was dismissed, my lord. My lord, kindly see my submission, my lord.
We have exhausted our, we will pass the order within 2 weeks.
Earlier occasion, there's some same submission, my lord. Earlier occasion, my lord. My lord, kindly see my lord, order 31/5/2024.
That I've seen.
Then, my lord, 35, my lord. And my lord, kindly notice was issued, my lord, 22/7/2024. And review was dismissed, my lord. Then when the my lord, notice was issued, subsequently review was filed. And review was also dismissed, my lord, 10/2/2025, my lord. But already more than 9 months, my lord. Nothing has been done, my lord. 9 months, my lord. That settlement, my lord, fishery, my lord.
Okay.
Settlement, my lord, fishery, my lord. Question is the fishery, my lord. Settlement.
Heard Mr.
H. Ali, my lord.
H. Ali.
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the petition. On request made by Mr.
P. Sharma.
P. Sharma, Learned
Secretary on 27 March, I will publish the order.
for the respondents.
We have to pass a speaking order. Lord.
No, who are the respondents?
Sole respondent, my lord. Sole respondent.
For the sole respondent.
Oh, no, not a contempt order.
Oh, for the sole respondent. How much time you require?
Lordship, if it would have been actually March, if it would have been April 2nd, I will produce the.
My lord, my humble submission, my lord, the
Lordship,
Fishery was
he has actually it was gone through the lot of
nothing.
process, read appeal, everything gone, Lordship. Respondent, he
Okay.
knows it. Yes,
Appeal was
just
dismissed.
some
all
long, we
this
have-
was-
my lord.
Now they're doing it. Let them come with the order.
Yes. Lord, let it be on 2nd of April, Lord.
My
I will
lord,
pass
so
down.
much late, my lord. So my humble submission, it
It will be
fixed.
okay, Lord. We have only very
3
short
weeks time is allowed to enable him to receive
Short deadline.
instructions. List the matter on second appeal.
highly obliged.
My lord, my lord, this is the last opportunity that we
Uh-huh.
got.
We'll see, they're going to
My
come.
lord, number of occasions they took time. my lord.
Series of litigation, Lord. He knows it well.
51 to 55.
My lord, as per last order, my lord, finance department is to
Lordship, in this matters,
inspection was sought.
I have received the instruction to your lordship. They require 1 week time, your lordship, because the assembly is in session. So the financial sanction couldn't be granted, your lordship.
It's in the logical, it's in the it's in the budget section, right? It's in the budget department, Lordship. So, Lordship, 10 days time may be granted to us, Lordship. In the meantime, we'll try to comply with court order.
This is from the revenue department.
Finance has not been made a party, Lordship.
Okay. You want 1 week time? You want 1 week time, right?
Yes,
My lord, date may be
finance
fixed.
department requires 10 more days.
Lordship, 10 days, Lordship. In the meantime, we'll try to comply with the order.
My lord, date may be fixed, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr.
K. Uddin, my lord.
K. Udin and counsel for the petition. MS
And what?
and Bortole, Leonard Counsel, appearing for the respondent number,
I'm for the sole respondent, your lordship, in all the cases.
appearing for the sole respondent, submits that due to the ensuing budget session of the 15th Assam Legislative Assembly, the issuance of financial sanction has been delayed. She therefore submits that she therefore prays for 2 weeks' time for completion of process for submission of FOC to the finance department for release of fund. Stop. Mr. H. Alia Leonard, Standing Counsel Finance Department, also has a similar prayer. Stop. Accordingly, list the matter on after 2 weeks.
Yes,
We'll have it on 26th.
yes,
Okay, list the matter on 26th.
I'm deeply obliged.
Lordship, our names may be reflected, Lordship, because we have not been made a party, Lordship.
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of Mr. H. Chalia, London Standing Counsel Finance in the cost list.
Lordship, also in item 55, I think the service of notice is not complete. Item number 55.
No, but will it cover all the matters?
I
Same,
think-
same order.
So let us see, let us see.
Pledge.
56, 7.
Wait, please, your lord. My lord. Here, my lord, today is for the IA, my lord.
What is the IA?
IA for implement of the restaurant number 6 to 9. My lord, what happened, my lord? We have participated in a tender process for settlement of market. And I was the highest bidder. And the private restaurant number 5 is he was in the 6th position. And my lord, what happened, my lord? The market was settled with me. Then it was settled without any notice or anything. It was settled with the private respondent number 5. And all these other 6 to 9, they were also participant, and their position were above the private respondent number 5. So for adjudication of the case, they may be implemented.
Are they necessary parties?
Yes, my lord. Why, my lord? The authorities furnished one comparative statement wherein it was reflected that I have not submitted 5 documents, and the private respondent number 5 also has not submitted 3 documents. And for that reason, the entire tender process has to be cancelled. For cancellation of everything, my lord, they must be hidden. Otherwise, without their absence,
No.
That was during admission. The court has expressed that all the bidders must be implemented in the writ petition. That's why this I was filed in his presence, ma'am. And he has no objection, my lord. The I may be allowed, and we may be allowed to implement these persons as private respondent.
Okay. Any objection? No. Okay, heard Mr. G. Vice Chair, Learned Counsel for the applicant in the IA. Huh? Also heard Mr. R.K. Mushari, Learned Standing Counsel, BTC, for the
Respondent 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
for the respondents 1,
2, 3, and 4.
4. Chairman, Market Settlement Committee also?
Yes, also.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stop. By this application, the applicant who is the writ petitioner in WBC number 6814 of 2024 is praying for implementation of, you put not number A, B, C, D, huh? From A to A, page 4. As party respondents number 6 to 9 in WBC 6814 of 2024 on the ground that the aforesaid proposed respondents are necessary parties. Stop. Para. This court has also perused the cost shown in the present application and is satisfied. Stop. The Learned Standing Counsel BTC has also no objections. Stop. Accordingly, prayer for implementation is allowed. In the main writ petition, IAS disposed. Huh? In the main writ petition, in view of the order passed today and IA number so and so, let again say A, B, C, D be implemented as party respondents 6 to 9 in the present writ petition. Stop. Petitioner is directed to file an amended cost title within 1 week from today. Para. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the newly implemented respondents 6 to 9 by registered post AD within 1 week. List after 4 weeks.
Interim order passed earlier.
Interim order passed earlier to continue in the next date.
'63 of supplementary list ordered.
None appears for the parties. List of 2 weeks.
65 to 68 hearing.
Somehow I missed the file today, Lordship. I couldn't see the call this one. So Lordship will fix the matter next week, Lordship. There was the instruction to apply some OM also. So that has also been obtained, Lordship. So I will next week any date, Lordship.
The case related to Nosibul knows that earlier had a long time he is not received the pensionary benefit.
Now we have forgotten everything.
Ye-
You have to.
Yes, I will apply. I will rephrasing thereby. That is why Lordship, can it be taken on Thursday?
Mr. B.B. Barwa, learned counsel for the petition. Next week we'll fix
Next
Tuesday.
Next week, Lordship.
On request made by Mr. B.N. Sharma, learned standing counsel,
Elementary Education Department.
Elementary Education Department, list the matter on
18.
18.
1/8.
Okay.
18.
Lots started. Much started.
It's a part hard matter.
Mr. B. Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel, appears for the Accountant General. 1 minute. In WBC 635 of 2023 and 1917 of 2024 and Mr. R.K. Talokdar, learned standing counsel, Accountant General, appears appears in WBC 4012 2023 and 4013 2023.
AG part is completed already. The GPF is already given.
Okay.
My lord, since list is over, my lord, that matter your lordship will take up at 2. Lordship, that I had talked with the DC, my lord. He has stated that he is not aware of that, my lord, interim order passed by your lordship. I have called the junior of Mr. Bhattakur. So, my lord, may I pray that maybe fix on day after tomorrow, my lord, he will. I have intimated him and I have sent the order. So he has stated that he will do the needful, my lord, by this time, and day after tomorrow, my lord, we'll place the, my lord, everything.
Where's the
Well, I I informed Mr. Junior, Mr. His colleague, but I have intimated. So they are on my lord contempt now. So day after tomorrow, my lord, I don't think that they will be, because and DC will take immediate steps, my lord. He has stated that
no
since
contempt is a different thing.
My
In
lord.
the IA,
my lord, it has come for the first time, my lord. Even
No,
notice
that's
must
why.
be issued, my lord.
so on the IA, I'll give you contempt. You can appear.
My lord, let that be on there.
Bring them.
Or, my lord, because we have already filed the affidavit, my lord.
No,
His lordship can hear the matter, entire matter, and dispose of, my lord. Lordship, because desealed, if desealed, my lord, it is amount to, my lord, final relief, my lord. I am not saying that lordship has, my lord, passed the order, but since we have filed the affidavit and desealed will be done by the DC, there is no question, my lord. But that matter may be hard finally done, my lord.
If I'm not wrong, it was on the submission of Mr. B. Gogoi.
Lordship. Okay. B. Gogoi, my lord.
That order was passed.
Buddha Gogoi, my lord.
Mm.
Okay, he is from health.
Health.
Okay. My lord. I have called him, my lord, and he has stated that no institution of the government of Assam can run, my lord, without permission from, my lord, Shankardev Health Institution, my lord. Without that, no institution can run, whether it is diploma or, my lord, degree or anything, my lord. It is the
Where's thing?
lordship done, because I called them, but they have.
You go and see. I'll wait here. Instead of coming back.
I can again call him, my lord, because
Yeah, just check up. I'll be here. We'll wait. You catch hold of Gogoi also. I don't know if it's Buddha Gogoi, but I know him as B. Gogoi. Okay.
because So I called them, my lord. I don't know. They did but 2 times
That's true.
because they have gone for lunch. My lord. Obliged. Is required, my lord, in case
No,
of
no, fine.
That's a different issue altogether.
lordship is on.
We are
my lord.
contempt.
My lord,
And I-
that's why, my lord, I'll file affidavit by 13, my lord, and maybe fix for final hearing, my lord. That is my my lord, prayer, my lord.
That is
because
what, that's fine.
maybe
Final
on
hearing, is
Thursday,
fine. But then the order of 24 to 2025, that has to be implemented by the deputy commissioner.
my lord, I have
So-
already instructed.
Till the matter is heard and disposed of,
My lord,
don't seal the college.
my
College or whatever it is,
Institute.
my lord,
the
that
institute.
petitioner, my lord.
That's what I'm saying.
Lordship.
After
And
that, we'll hear the matter.
Lordship.
if we fix at an early date, my lord, that's
So-
my prayer,
On that day,
my lord. My
let the petitioners also come with instructions
Lordship.
that deputy commissioner has opened the institute.
my lord.
And after that, I'll issue notice in the, maybe IAS.
I may not have been,
I will become
may not required to
infractions.
issue notice.
Contempt also may become infractions.
My lord.
Then the writ petition,
My lord.
we can fix a date for hearing and
Deeply
then,
obliged, my lord.
okay.
And then early date.
Then in the IA also, and in the writ petition, huh? List this matter on, what did I say? 12.
ইনস্ট্রাকশন তো লাগে সেদিনাখন এফিডেভিট নালাগে বিশেষ না ইনস্ট্রাকশন
My lord.
12.
I'll prep.
You talk to the deputy district commissioner.
Only later, my lord, if I get the compliance, my lord, regarding compliance, my lord, then I'll hand it over to your lordship, that my lord, because affidavit will take another.
If the compliance is there, petitioners also will come and say, yes, they have complied.
Absolutely. Deeply obliged.
Finish.